New arrivals, how about that? 1966 Ford Mustang Hardtop, raven black over black and white. Got a little Shelby influence. Rebuilt 289 cubic inch 4-barrel V8, C4 automatic, 98,000 actual miles, Willwood disc brakes. Those Willwood disc brakes, man, they must be selling a ton of those.
Right.
They are on
They're on everything.
Yeah. It's crazy.